Hi everyone, let's talk about selection sort today. I have made videos on insertion and bubble sort. If you haven't checked that out, please do check those as well. What is meant by selection sort? So, as the name suggests, we select the smallest element in the array and place it on the first place. So basically, if we talk about our example 7, 11, 2, 5, 4, 9, in this one the smallest element will pick which is 2, and we will place it, swap it with the first element which is 7. So our array will become 2, 11, 7, 5, 4, 9. Now from the array perspective, we know that our element 2 is at the correct place. This is the smallest element in the array, and now this is at the first place, so that's correct. Now we have to consider this subarray and pick the smallest element from this subarray, and the smallest element is 4. Now we will swap 4 with the first element, so the array will become 2, 4, 7, 5, 11, 9. Now again we will consider this as subarray and pick the smallest element 5, replace it with the first element, so array will become 2, 4, 5, 7, 11 and 9. Okay, next we will consider this as the subarray, smallest element 7, replace it with the leftmost element of subarray, which is this only, so the array will remain same, which is 2, 4, 5, 7, 11, 9. Next, let's pick up the next subarray, which is 11, my smallest element 9. I'll replace it with the first element, so the array will become 2, 4, 5, 7, 9 and 11, and this is our sorted array. This is how selection sort works. Now if we talk about the time and space complexity, so space complexity is O of 1 because we do not take any auxiliary space, while time complexity will be O of n square, where n is the number of elements in the array. How the time complexity will be n square? Now for that, let's look at our iterations. So in the first array, in the first subarray, we were iterating all the n elements to find the smallest element. In the next subarray, we were iterating n minus 1 times. Next, we were iterating n minus 2 times, and so on. Like in the last subarray, we will iterate to 1 time. So again, the total time complexity is n plus n minus 1 plus n minus 2 plus n minus 3 and so on to 1, which is equals to n plus 1 by 2, which is equals to n square. For n, when n is very large, this n square is very greater than n, so it will be O of n square. Alright, if you have any confusion, please do rewind the video and watch it again. Now we will move on to the coding part of selection sort. Okay, we'll write the code as private static void selection sort int norms for int I equals to 0, I less than norms dot length minus 1, I plus plus int small s equals to I for int j equals to I plus 1, j less than nums dot length j plus plus. If nums of j is less than nums of smallest equals to j, int temp equal to nums of j, nums of I is equals to nums of smallest, and nums of smallest equals to temp. So this will be I. All right. So we will change it as selection sort. Now let's run the algorithm. So we have got the sorted array, and this is our selection sort code looks like. So we have two nested for loops. The first one is to bound the subarray, and second one is to iterate over the subarray to find the smallest element, and at last we just swap the smallest element with the first element in subarray. That's it. Hope you like the video. If you like, please do like the video here and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.